Whether you notice it or not, advertisements are all over the internet. Maybe it's a banner at the top of a news website, a pop up during a video, or even a stunning full screen ad on a mobile app. Those are display ads, one of the most versatile tools in digital marketing. But here's the real question: how can you use display advertising to grab attention, drive clicks, and boost conversions for your brand? In this lesson, we're diving into what display advertising is, the different types of display ads, when and where to use them, and how to make sure your ads deliver real results. What is display advertising? It's a form of online paid advertising where visuals like images, videos, or animations are used to promote a product, service, or message. Unlike search ads, which rely on text and keywords, display ads focus on visuals to grab attention. You've probably seen these ads on websites, social media platforms, and apps, and for good reason. They are highly effective at raising brand awareness, retargeting potential customers, and driving clicks. Types of display ads. There's no one size fits all when it comes to display ads. Let's explore the most common types. Banner ads. Rectangular ads that sit at the top, side, or bottom of a web page. They're like digital billboards, great for catching a user's eye as they scroll. Static ads. Simple, image-based ads with no motion. They're clean, direct, and work well for straightforward messages like discounts or promotions. Video ads. They use motion and sound to engage viewers. They can autoplay or require interaction, making them perfect for storytelling. Pop-up ads open in a new window or overlay the current page. While they can be disruptive, they are effective for capturing immediate attention. Wallpaper ads take over the background of a website, creating a fully immersive experience for the user. Rich media ads, interactive ads that include animations, videos, or clickable elements. They encourage the audience to engage directly. When and where to use display ads. Display ads are ideal for brand awareness, retargeting, and driving traffic. Platforms like Google, Facebook, and Instagram make it easy to place these ads on relevant websites, apps, or feeds. Tips for effective display ads. Creating effective display ads isn't just about slapping an image on a banner. Here are some tips. Keep it visual. Use high-quality images, bold colors, and clean fonts. Your ad should stand out without feeling cluttered. Have a clear call to action or CTA, whether it's learn more, shop now, or sign up. Make sure your CTA is concise and tells the user exactly what to do next. Target your audience. Use demographic, behavioral, and interest-based targeting. Show your ads to the right people. For example, if you're promoting travel packages, target users interested in adventure or vacation planning. Optimize for mobile. More users are browsing on their phones, so make sure your ads look great on smaller screens. Test and refine. Run A/B tests to compare different versions of your ad. Ask yourself which visuals, copy, or CTAs perform better. Use the results to optimize your campaign. Just setting up display ads isn't enough. You need to track their effectiveness. Focus on these metrics: click-through rate, or CTR, how many people clicked your ad; cost per click, or CPC, how much are you spending per click; and conversion rates, are clicks turning into actions; finally, impressions, how many people saw your ad. Display advertising is a powerful way to showcase your brand, engage your audience, and drive results. The key is understanding your goals, like awareness, traffic, or conversions, and choosing the right type of display ad to achieve them. Here's your action items. Think about your next marketing campaign. What's your goal and who's your audience? Start brainstorming ideas for your display ad. Will it be a simple banner with a bold CTA, or maybe an engaging video ad? The possibilities are endless. And with the right strategy, your display ads can become a game changer for your brand.